In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put chat comments on screen in OBS Studio for free. By the end, your live chat will appear right on your stream, styled to match your brand and ready for viewers to follow along in real time. Start by opening your browser and signing in to either Stream Elements or Streamlabs. Both work, but I'll use Stream Elements in this walkthrough because the setup is quick and reliable. Once you're in the Stream Elements dashboard, head to Streaming Tools, then open the Overlays section. Create a new overlay, and when you're asked for a resolution, choose 1080p if your stream is full HD. That size gives you crisp text and plenty of room to position your chat. Click Start to open the overlay editor. Inside the editor, add a widget. From the widget menu, go to Stream Tools and select your stream's chat. You'll see a chat box appear on the canvas. This is where customization makes a big difference. Open the settings for the chat widget and adjust the theme and fonts so they're easy to read on your background. High contrast colors, a clean sans serif font, and a comfortable font size are great starting points. You can also tweak spacing and message behavior to keep the chat tidy and readable during busy moments. When you're happy with the look, save your overlay. Then click the link icon to copy the overlay URL. This link is what connects the chat widget to OBS. Now switch to OBS Studio. In the Sources box, click the plus button and choose Browser. Give the source a clear name, then paste the overlay URL into the URL field. Set the width and height to 1920 by 1080 if you built the overlay at 1080p or match whatever resolution you chose earlier. Click OK and your chat will load directly into your scene. From here, you can test and resize. In Stream Elements, use the preview to simulate messages and confirm that your text is legible against your scene elements. Back in OBS, select the browser source and drag the corners to position it exactly where you want it, top right, bottom left, or tucked into a dedicated chat panel. Make small adjustments until it feels balanced and readable. That's it. You've set up a free on-screen chat using Stream Elements and a browser source in OBS. Save your scene, do a quick test stream or recording, and you're ready to go live with chat visible for your audience.